Hey there! Frustrated because the command to turn off your TV isn't working with Google Assistant? Worry not. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix the turn off the TV not working with Google Assistant issue with a few simple steps to get your smart home functioning seamlessly again. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Before diving into troubleshooting, ensure your TV is compatible with Google Assistant. Many modern smart TVs come with built-in Google Assistant compatibility, but if yours doesn't, you might need an external device like a Chromecast or a compatible smart speaker or display. Confirm that your TV or device is indeed supposed to work with Google Assistant commands to manage your expectations moving forward. Step 2. Verify internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for Google Assistant routines and commands to function correctly. Check if your TV and other smart devices are connected to your home Wi-Fi. You can do this by trying to access online content on your TV or checking the network settings on both your TV and the Google Home app. Restart your router if necessary and ensure there are no network outages from your service provider. Step 3. Update device firmware. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. Check for software updates on your TV by navigating to its settings menu and looking for the system or software update option. Similarly, ensure the Google Home app and Google Assistant on your smartphone are updated to their latest versions. Updated software on all devices can help resolve compatibility and integration issues. Step 4. Relink devices in Google Home app. Sometimes simply relinking your TV to the Google Home app can solve the problem. Start by opening the Google Home app on your smartphone. Select your TV or the device connected to your TV from the list of available devices. Unlink it by selecting the option to remove or unlink. Once unlinked, restart both the Google Home app and your TV. After the restart is complete, attempt to add the device again by following the provided setup instructions in the app. This fresh connection can often resolve stubborn communication issues. Step 5. Check command phrasing. It's possible that the phrasing of your command might be causing the issue if it's not recognized correctly by Google Assistant. Ensure you're using commands that are understandable and officially supported. Instead of saying turn off TV, try phrasing the command a little differently, like power off TV or shut down TV. Experiment with slight variations to see if this prompts a different response from Google Assistant. Step 6. Simplify device names. In some cases, Google Assistant might struggle if there are multiple devices with similar names. To simplify interactions, make sure your TV has a clear and distinct name in the Google Home app. Avoid using the same name like living room TV for multiple devices, as this can confuse the assistant. Modify the device name in the Google Home app and try the command once again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the turn off the TV not working with Google Assistant problem, restoring harmony to your smart home setup. From verifying compatibility and internet connectivity to updating firmware and relinking devices, covering these aspects will help resolve the issue. Remember, maintaining simplicity in device names and exploring different command phrasings can also make a difference. With these solutions, enjoy a hassle-free smart home experience.